Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, ngayong araw mag-react tayo sa bagong kanta ni Janela, no? Title na is Ikigai, official lyric video, kasama niya din si Looney, man. Ano na, no? I think weeks or buwan na rin yung lumipas nung parang meron silang lumabas na or pinost silang picture na yun nga they're going to have a collaboration, no? So, I mean, ina-expect na natin na meron silang kantang niluluto, no? Pero hindi ko ina-expect na ito kabilis. And again, I do wanna apologize, we are late to the party, no? Pero dito na tayo, no? Dito na tayo, man. This is, by the way, a request reaction. Without no further ado, let's get it.
If Eden defines what home should be, then paradise is you and me.
Okay. Ano natin yan? What the hell? By the way, before ko pakinggan to ngayon, tong katang to, no? Sinearch ko na yung meaning ng Ikigai kasi di ko alam, kahit anong isip ko, di ko alam kung anong meaning niya. So sinearch ko sa Google, no? So it's a Japanese word meaning purpose, no? But purpose. Yeah.
If Eden defines what home should be, then paradise is you.
If Eden defines what home should be, then paradise, diba? Eden. Okay, then paradise is you and me.
Thinking about the days you're only all I had, no fame, no love. You are all I need. Show me, say too much fun. Give you everything.
Is it too much if I give you everything, man? Come on, man. Yung vocals ni Janela. I mean, di kasi ako siya nakikinig kay Janela, no? So I'm really surprised sa pagkanta niya, no?
Give you everything. Maybe that's how you mean to me. But let me tell you, babe, I'm not an angel. Sometimes I fight it. It's a part of it, so baby, don't worry, no. It's not perfection that make things so beautiful. It's just like all your flaws and curves of God makes you who you are.
Ganda nun. So, it's not perfection. Ano yun? It's... Let's go back.
Baby, don't worry, no. It's not perfection that make things so beautiful.
Yeah, it's not perfection that make things so beautiful. So, no. Isabi niya sa first line. And then, next one. Just like all your flaws. So, hindi siya direct to the point na, di ba kasi sabi nga niya, it's not perfection that makes you beautiful. Just like all your flaws and curves, no? Hindi direct na sinasabi, pero meaning niya doon is, my girl, here's my girl, no? She's not perfect, but look at her flaws and curves. I mean, all of those flaws and curves make her beautiful, no? But yeah, sorry, na-miss lang ako sa paano sinulat yun. Just like, diba? Hindi niya direct ang sinabi na beautiful, though, that makes you who you were, no? Parang as is na no, not being perfect yung magiging dahilan para maging beautiful ka, no? Okay.
I didn't know this, that's like glowing, this burning in the skies. Oh, I know this life ain't easy, but it made me realize, oh, baby, so tight, my Ikigai, you were to me.
Soul Tide, my Ikigai, you are to me. So parang you're the purpose, you know? Okay. Okay. Ganda nun First time ko lang nakarinig ng kanta na ganun yung pagkakasulat, no? Parang, di ba kasi kadalasan sinasabi na ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako humihinga. Di ba? Pero sa kanya, hinga't hingalo. Di ba? Kasi paghinga is yung buhay ako, no? Hingalo, yung mamamatay ako, no? Mabuhay at mamatay, ikaw yung dahilan, no? Sa'yo ako mabuhay, sa'yo ako mamamatay.
I'm feeling like I've known you from a previous life. If you're the counterpoint to my soul, I wouldn't be surprised. Jesus Christ, I fell for you faster than the speed of light. You're my ikigai, the reason why I feel alive. You cast my fears aside. You give me peace of mind, no need to lie. I heave a sigh.
Oh man, come on. Look at the rhyme scheme, man. Let's listen.
I'm feeling like I've known you from a previous life. If you're
Feel like I've known you from the previous life.
the counterpoint to my soul, I wouldn't be surprised.
If you are the counterpoint to my soul, I wouldn't be surprised. Previous life, wouldn't be surprised. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ, I fell for you faster than the speed of light. You're my ikigai, the reason why.
Speed of light, ikigai. You know, ikigai, reason why I feel alive. Okay, alright. Yeah, we're glazing too much, but
Christ, I fell for you faster than the speed of light. You're my ikigai, the reason why I feel alive. You cast my fears.
yung rhyme niya is parang 1-2-1-2, no? Parang like a whole like line, and then you know the rhyming part at the end, and then just one word on the next line, which is rhymes with the first line. Basta yung pinakaunang word or syllable na nirhyme mo sa unang linya is irarhyme mo agad dun sa pinakaunang word or kasunod na words sa linya, and then ulit-ulit, no, isang buong line. You know, it's like 1-2-1-2 yung rhyming.
Light. You're my ikigai, the reason why I feel alive. You cast my fears aside. You give me peace of mind, no need to lie. I heave a sigh every time that I see you smile. Baby, I just wanna treat you.
I heave a sigh every time that I see you smile, like
I heave a sigh every time that I see you smile. Baby, I just wanna treat you right. Show you I'm a decent guy. But when it's demon time, lahat ibibigay. Nais kitang dalhin sa lugar na kung saan tayo lang. Basahin sa'yo ang mga liham ni Andres kay Kaoryang. Ang taong siyang kabiyak ng aking pagkatao. Sa'yo lang natagpuan, kambal ng kaluluwa ko at katuwang. Alam mo bang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang katapusan. Malagutan,
gusto ko talaga yung gatong parang rhyme scheme like ko naririnig kay Looney tsaka kay Ron Henley, yung parang yung pinaka point na mag-rhyme, yung diba, rhyming, right? Yung pinaka point na mag-rhyme is yung parang second syllable bago matapos yung hirap i-explain
tayo lang basahin sa'yo ang mga liham ni Andres kay Kaoryang. Ang taong siyang kabiyak ng aking pagkatao. Sa'yo lang natagpuan, kambal ng kaluluwa ko at katuwang. Alam mo bang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang katapusan.
Diba? Parang siya, parang bitin yung hindi pala siya last second to the last syllable, no? Para siyang second to the last word, kasi parang pabitin yung yung rhyming, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Pagkasabi niya dito sa unang linya.
katuwang. Alam mo bang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang katapusan.
Diba? Walang katapusan. Diba? Yung isa niya katuwang. Tapos parang reach ng rhyming point, and then slow, may biglang slide na ganun diretso, no, yung cadence. But yeah, like ko naririnig tong gatong klase ng rhyme scheme kay Lunin, kay Ron Henley.
Malagutan man ako ng hangin kahit pa mabuang pagpaumanhin mo na lang muna aking kabatuyan. Dala to ng aking pagkabighani kung alam mo lang.
Diba?
Perfection that make things so beautiful. Just like how you feel.
Hey, wait a minute. I just realized something.
Pagpaumanhin mo na lang muna aking kabatuyan. Dala to ng aking pagkabighani kung
So nagbago siya ng rhyme scheme dito, 'di ba? Dito sa pinag-uusapan natin.
ng kaluluwa ko at katuwang. Alam mo bang
Diba? Yung katuwang, alam mo bang
pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang katapusan. Malagutan man ako ng hangin kahit pa mabuang pagpaumanhin mo na lang muna.
Ayun, nag-iba na yung rhyme scheme dito. Paumanhin mo na lang muna aking kabaduyan.
Aking kabatuyan, dala ito ng aking pagkabighani kung alam mo lang.
Perfection that make things so beautiful.
Kaya ng tugma, man.
How you feel just because of you makes you who you are. I didn't know this.
Oh, shit! Okay, so nagkakaroon siya ng itong skeleton to kanina. Tapos nagkakaroon na siya ng laman. Wait nga lang, 245. Let's see. Yeah, skeleton siya kanina, di ko napansin. What the hell? Oh, yan, skeleton siya kanina. So, binibigyan ng babae yung buhay, yung skeleton. I assume ito yung lalaki kasi again, binibigyan, you are my ikigai, no? Binibigyan mo ng purpose yung buhay ko. Diba? Dahilan ba't ako nabubuhay. Okay? Nice.
It's like how you feel just because of you makes you who you are. I didn't know this. That's like going just burning in the skies. Oh, I know this life ain't easy, but it made me realize, baby, so tight. I think you were to me.
Come on, the vibe on this song, man. The vibe, man. Napakaswabe, no? Napakaswabe. So tight. My ikigai, you were to me. Parang sobrang smooth lang niya, no? Hindi niya kailangan maging sobrang makarbo pagpasok ng hook or chorus ng kanta, no? Ano lang, no? Swabe, man. Swabing-swabe lang, no? Ito yung mga kanta na mga pag ganun ka eh. Hey, so yun pang hey. What the hell it be?
Dala to ng aking pagkabighani kung alam mo lang.
Oh. Man. Looney's Loverboy
Dala to ng
era,
aking
man.
pagkabighani kung alam mo lang.
Loverboy bag, man. Love
世
it.
界が何を求めようとも私は気にしない誰がどんな目で見ようとも私の瞳に映るあなたは他とは違う
I'm sorry, what? Ano ba tayong subtitle nun? May caption? Wala. Come on, man. Hindi ako marunong mag-Japanese. But yeah, so buo na yung katawan niya nung nakahiga. Okay, no? So you give me purpose. You give life to my life. Alright, well again, that's Junella Ikigai, no, official lyric video feat Looney, no? Man, come on. This is right now trending. Number 5 on trending for music, man. Karapat-dapat naman talaga, no? But yeah, napakagandang kanta, no? Napakaganda na, hindi ko na-expect na magiging maganda yung collaboration nilang dalawa, no? Na, basta, I mean, lalo na yung ngayong era ni, gusto ko yung era ni, ni Looney ngayon, pagiging lover boy niya, no? I feel like, daman-daman niya kasi, you know, your boy is in love, no? So, come on, man, and Junella, man, that vocals. But yeah, that's the reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like, subscribe. Kung gusto nyo mag-react sa yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.